Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to put a title or a footnote in a SAS program. So let's assume, let's take this SAS program which we wrote in few of the previous videos. So let's try to run it and let's see what happens here. So that's the result, right? Now if I want a title here, what I'll do, I'll put title, new title, title, new title just above this line, or I can write between these lines as well. It will work the same. It will work the same. So see, new title, right? Now I want another title. For example, I want a second title, and that will be, let's say, second title, right? And let's run it. Maybe I'll make it one, and let's run it now, and let's see what happens. So now we have second title, and it's coming as data testing 1. Oh, that's because I didn't put the semicolon, so it is taking the complete thing as title, which is wrong somehow. So second title, right? Now I can put like this. I can put up to 10 title. So I'll put directly 10 title, and you'll see it will leave the space for the remaining 3 are there. Remaining 7 title, it will leave the space. So 10th title. Here is the 10th title, and when I run it, you'll see that it has left the space for the remaining 7 because it is a 10th title. Again, I forgot the semicolon, so it is taking the complete thing as title till data testing. So I'll just do this 10 title. Now I can also put this title here. Maybe I just want to put, I don't want to put it here. I want to put it here. I can do that, and it will run just fine. See, now if I want to put maybe in my proc statement which I'm using for printing, so I just before printing I want to use it, so I can use it, and I'll do this, and let's run and let's see what happens. See, it works the same. So anywhere till the proc statement you can put the title. And similarly we have footnote. So footnote, how do we use it? We can put footnote just like title. We have footnote, and we put footnote like, and like this, and when we run it here, and what we find is the footnote comes like this. See, first footnote. Then we can also have footnote, again footnote 1, footnote 2 till footnote 10. So maybe I'll directly put footnote 10 after this, and you'll see it will leave the space for remaining 8 footnotes. I'll put it 10th footnote, and you'll see it will leave the space for the remaining footnotes. See, so we can put till 10th 10 footnotes and 10 titles. Also we can put these footnotes not only here, but we can also put it here, just like title we can put it here as well, or anywhere we can put, and it will read the footnote and it will print it accordingly. See, so that's title and footnote for you, and thank you for now.